vlog, it's Maggie and today I'm gonna bring you to my first day of senior high school. That's insane. I literally feel so old. Hope you guys enjoy. Love you. Bye bye. Guys, do you like my car? I need to check the room I'm going into.
That's first day, then senior sunrise, getaway last week, FNL, homecoming, Halloween event, Easter El Camino, spring mystery event, prom, senior sunset, and graduation.
Like, I don't want to be filmed.
Oh my goodness! Yes! Hello! We're both watching. Hello! Put it on YouTube.
Yes. Second day. Oh, second day. And I have my bag, and I'm ready for my 1 hour of class.
Someone's getting burned. Where are you with? They're going.
Hi. Oh my god, my phone almost fell. Hi vlog. It's the third day, and this is my outfit. I only have one class, which means I only get to see my friends during lunch. So lunchtime somehow feels like the main event of my school day. Can I vlog?
Would you die? Hi guys! Yo, she! You could be my guy! Stop it now.
We're fucked.
We are.
Oh my god, this would be perfect for our YouTube channel.
Oh! Day in the city when you're in the fucking ghetto.
Shit, this party is a shit. First party is a shit.
First.
What is happening? What is happening?
What is happening, guys?
We're stranded. Let's.
Can
we leave?
I'll leave my day as if it was the last.
Should we walk down?
Yeah. We did it! We got this car!
Give us the three first person.
That's it.
Do you need us to close the door? Okay, thank you.
Fuck, are we getting down? They're like over there. Oh my god. So dumb. Oh, it's like rocky. Okay. Shiley, come on. Oh, there's like shit, I swear. Unforgettable. My feet hurt, bro.
Best friends! No, what happened? What happened? Wait, watch out.
He started to run us back, and then he just like this.
Wait, you didn't catch it?
Are you okay?
This was crazy. I was gonna also take because I thought he was gonna die.
Hi.
Wait, where's Nia?
Guys, what's going on? Guys,
Oh my god, the police on top.
Wait, you have to. Shit.
Wait, guys, it was nobody.
What? What do you mean nobody?
It's okay.
I saw Lucille and she told her. She was just like, run, bro. Are you being dead ass?
Everyone's gone. Yeah. Everyone is gone. Why is the card in there?
Ew, what did I just step on?
It's not that deep. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. Just calm up.
No, relax.
You're coming or what?
I think it's Rob's.
Let's go.
I was too scared.
Well, why would you think running in front?
And I tried maybe what 6-7 minutes for just turn it on and wait. Fire fit a fucking old bonfire. How is it called? Bonfire, yeah. Bonfire, and it doesn't work. Then I turn it on, and then
The second you
sheesh, and I threw it on the sand because I was so fucking scared. Then I looked there, and there's nothing. And now you know what? I don't have a cigarette. I'm fucked. I cannot do it anymore. Give me one, please. You don't know how many fucking burger I'm gonna eat if I if I eat these guys is the end. I won't make the in and out clone.
Do you know what she thought your name was?
Who?
You.
Who thought that? What?
Liver.
Liver.
Like liver.
But that's a crazy thing.
Liver.
מניקומיה. מה זה מניקומיה? אני רוצה להרביץ לכל הילדים האלה.
Folle.
הם לא מקשיבים לי. הם זורקים את הדברים שלי.
Bro, she's summoning.
וזהו. זהו. בא לי ללכת ל-in and out. Thank you.
Wow.
Let's go. צ'קמו.
Shay. Yeah, he's a boy by the way.
Let's go.
Oh shit, I know.
Does that look like what I...
You make me feel like I'm in love again.
Fucking thank you.
And she says she doesn't get hangry.